You ever ask somebody that had like bomb braided hair, hey girl, let me get a business card, where you got your hair done? And they're like, oh, I got it done back home. What I'm supposed to do with that? What am I supposed to do with that? But it's okay though, because I brought Nigeria to the States. I got my hair braided in Africa too, boo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, 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 hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How are you guys feeling? I'm feeling good. Ooh, child, I'm excited about this one today. So, today we're gonna do things a little different. I might actually talk to y'all. I might fast forward some parts, but today I have a braided unit, y'all. The reason I'm so hype about this unit is because I already peeked at the package, y'all, and I looked at it, and the braids look good, y'all. They look good. So I was watching some reviews. I was watching the Hearts and Cakes 90 all favorite things of 2019. I think it was like the Oscars of wigs. It was basically her favorite top wigs of 2019, and she mentioned this braided wig, y'all, and she said that was like the best one she reviewed, and I'm like, what is the best one? But you know, y'all know if Brittany say it's good, it's good. But then Khrissy popped up in the video, and she said it was good too. So then I did some research and found out Kai reviewed it, and then Brittany reviewed it, and this wig is the bomb. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get started, because I just be talking. I be talking and stuff. The wig I have for you guys today is from Citibeauty World. Yes, girl. So this basically is an affordable luxury type wig. It's a luxury brand, so it's more of your high-end quality braided unit. It says affordable luxury brand, high quality products, Citibeauty World. So I'm going to give you the specs on this. So this unit came from Nigeria, y'all. It took a while to get here. I want to say I ordered it like on the 1st of January, and it came on the 20th. I'm not even sure what day I'm gonna post this video, but just know the timing of when it came. The specs on the unit that I have are, I have the Sasa box braid, I have the color 1B, I have the bra length, which is 20 to 24 inches. The base type, it's a full lace, y'all. It's full lace. Woo! She does have some baby hairs. The additional accessories that I ordered were elastic bands. The cap that I ordered was a full cap lace because I have a big head. So that's 23 to 24 inches. It's a large cap that I ordered. And the total for this, it came to $169.50. So I know that's a little higher than most synthetic braided units, but sometimes if we want quality, sometimes you just have to pay for, you know, quality. So I'm really hoping that this is gonna deliver. My subtotal, like I said, was $169.50. Shipping was through DHL Express, and it came to $42. There was a PayPal charge. I paid for it via PayPal, even though it's in the company is based in Nigeria. And total, y'all, it came to $22.08. Come here, y'all. Come here. Don't tell my husband I paid that much for a wig. All right, y'all. So this is the unit right here. She came in this lovely package. Woo! I'm excited, y'all. Let's go ahead and take her out. She came in this DHL bag. I'm so excited about this because I really wanted a nice braided unit. Some people, this is actually going to be really good for like people that are suffering hair loss and can't get braids, but they like the braided look. People that switch up their hair so much, like me. I'm a reviewer, and I can't afford to like have braids in my hair for a long period of time, but I do like the braided looks, or just, you know, it works for whoever. But I think this is a great alternative if you have alopecia, or like I said, thinning hair, don't want to put stress on your hair, you don't like the tightness of braids, you know, I think this is a really good alternative. Woo! So this is what she's looking like right out. Again, I have Sasha. So her braids are a little bit smaller than the traditional box braids. But this is the wig right here, what she's looking like. It looks like the knots are bleached, y'all. Yeah, these knots are bleached. So this is what she's looking like. Oh, I'm already seeing that I'm gonna like this unit. And it's, again, full lace all the way around, girl. Like all throughout the unit, okay? And then we have this adjustable band. I added that for extra. She does have a comb in the front and 2 combs on the side. All right, so let's just go ahead and put this baby on and stop playing games. I think I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this part, guys, okay? Honey. All right, y'all. So this is what Miss Lovely Sasha is looking like. She is beautiful. All right, so this cap that I have on might be a little bit too dark. I think I'm gonna have to change that out. Or, you know what? If I push the cap back a little bit and just kind of bring this more to the hairline, that might work. So I like the fact that it's like it has a little widow's peak right here, and then it kind of it's not like straight boxy braids. So this is looking really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and secure her and be right back, okay?
2 hours later.
Okay, I'm back. It's not really 2 hours later. Girl, I got my hair braided in 20 minutes. Yes, honey. Ooh, I am so excited I got this unit, y'all. Guys, I was installing this unit. This lovely unit. And my husband told me it looked good. Ooh, yes, that's a compliment if my husband tells me a wig looks good. That is a huge compliment, because my husband is not feeling all these wigs up in this place. But you know what? It don't matter. It don't matter, because the struggle is real doing this. So let's go ahead and talk about how I installed this unit. So I put her down and I did cut the lace. I did get those sparse baby hairs, which you see I did use here. I did tell you guys that I'm not a fan of baby hairs, but I feel like this unit, you absolutely need some kind of baby hairs. So I would recommend that instead of getting it without baby hairs, you get the sparse baby hairs to kind of conceal the lace a little bit. But y'all, look at this melt. Look at this melt. Look at this melt. Woo! I just got my hair braided in 20 minutes. I am never, ever, 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 ever get my hair braided again. I don't care what y'all say. You ever ask somebody that had like bomb braided hair, hey girl, let me get a business card. Where you got your hair done? And they're like, oh, I got it done back home. What I'm supposed to do with that? What am I supposed to do with that? But it's okay though, because I brought Nigeria to the States. I got my hair braided in Africa too, boo. Alright, y'all, so yes, I did have to go in. I'm cutting up. Alright, so I did go ahead and glue her down and secure her off camera because I was trying to cut time for the sake of the video. I do have a video, I'll link it up below, where I go in depth of how I secure the unit down with the lace. Basically same concept. This is a full lace unit, ladies, so I do suggest that you need an adhesive. I use my Got2b glue gel and my freeze spray to secure her down, but I think if I get her again, I kind of want to secure her with like a wig glue. That did work, but at first I secured her with my Got2b glue gel. I blow dried it a little bit, put the lace over, cut it off, and then kind of use my freeze spray to kind of melt this baby into my skin. I did cut the lace in sections, like 4 sections, and kind of pull her down, use my comb, blow dry, move on to the next, blow dry. I do suggest you kind of go in doing it that way as opposed to like putting the glue all over your head and pulling her down. So it was just a little bit easier to go in sections as opposed to doing it all at once. That lace in the back, you know what, let me show you guys this beauty. So this is what she's looking like in the front, the back. She's a really good length. At first, because of the amount of braids on this unit, I felt like it was a little heavier, but I mean, these are a little bit finer than your regular medium-sized braids. These are like smaller box braids, but the quality is amazing. At first she was heavy when I first put her on my head, but now that she's secure, she's not bad at all. She really isn't that bad. I did go in also and, ooh, this looks like it's raising up a little bit. No, you will not raise on me. I do recommend that after you do use your glue, you go in with that freeze spray and use the comb to kind of press the edges into your scalp and get it a little bit more secure. This unit, it's beautiful, y'all. It's lovely. It's a perfect, like, if you're not trying to get your hair braided and be at somebody's house all day while they're talking to their friend Olivia, cooking dinner, and tending to the kids. This is the perfect unit if you ain't trying to have all that, but you're trying to get the quality. You know what I'm saying? No offense to anybody that's doing their hair in the house, but just sometimes it's a little frustrating. You get your hair done for 10 hours, you're sitting there all day and you're watching whatever the babies want to watch on TV sometimes, you know, and it's just like, okay, I don't feel like telling you how my day is. I don't want to tell you where I work. I just want to get my hair done. Perfect wig. She's not an everyday put on your head wig. I do suggest that this wig is more like if you want to have your braids for like about a couple days or so, then yeah, because she does require that glue security. So she's not your put on your head, take her off at night and go. This is your secure her down unit and, you know, wear her for a couple days. But this will last, ladies. Yes, the price is up there, but quality. It's quality. The thing I like about this is that you are paying for months of braids. Like, keep in mind that your hair is not braided in here, so it won't start frizzing out the way our normal braids frizz out. As soon as you take her off and wrap her up, she's gonna look like this. She is absolutely going to still look like this. So it's a matter of how you care for her. As far as the scalp, I did go in with a little bit of spray and spray her down on this side more to kind of show you guys. This is what the space is looking like in here. You know, if you want to put her up, you can do that because she is a full lace. This side I didn't spray too much because I was trying to see the difference, and it looks like you can see the difference. Let's see. So this side I used my tinted lace spray, and you could see how it is a little bit redder and it's like matching my scalp a little bit more. This side I didn't do on purpose just to kind of show you guys that the lace that it comes with is not ashy, but it probably does require a little bit of foundation, a little bit of maneuvering to get it to match with your skin. You can put her like this. There's so much that you can do with this unit. I forgot to talk about the cap. The cap did feel pretty good. The lace is large. So she did come all the way down to the side. As far as how she looks on the inside, this is what she's looking like, guys. So keep in mind that I sprayed the front with my lace spray. I didn't spray the whole thing with my lace spray. So I'm noticing like the sides here look like she definitely does need some, but this is like a double lace thing going on. I don't know what that is, but the whole thing doesn't look like that. But yeah, the middle is looking a little whiter. So, but it's so neat. Look at that. Look at that quality. Look, it's like all throughout. It's braided. You got your box braids all throughout. So basically it's the full lace with your box braids on it. So it's you're getting quality with this for sure. But if you're gonna try to style her up and do more things with her, you could even put her fully up into a pony. If you do that, you probably do need to go in with that lace and tint her out. She is a full lace, so again, we can style her. We can do what we want with her. We can wrap her up. Get that little nice, pretty top bun action going. Like that. Look at that. Look at that. Bam! 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 Ooh, she's so cute, y'all. She's so beautiful. She is so beautiful. So she did come with those sparse baby hairs. And I did use those baby hairs in addition to my baby hairs. So I kind of blended the baby hairs that it came with in addition to my baby hairs. Now, if you have alopecia, it's okay if you don't have baby hairs on your own to blend it. Just, I would suggest cutting it a little bit closer to the lace and going like that without the baby hairs. But this unit absolutely can work if you don't have baby hairs to work with. This side I didn't glue down too much because for the sake of recording, I didn't glue her down too much. I just kind of went in with a bobby pin. I think this unit could work if you just kind of secure right here at the top. If you want to wear her for a couple days like that and then just use some bobby pins, you could do that. I didn't glue down the back. I didn't do all of that. I used the combs. I used the adjustable strap that is in the back that it came in. I used that elastic band, and I also used a wig grip. And guess what? She ain't going nowhere. Ooh, hubby. All right, all right, all right. Ooh, ooh, you want to pull my hair? You want to pull? Ooh, 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 the babies might be watching. Stop, 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 stop. The babies are watching. But yeah, this ain't going nowhere. That's the point. All right, y'all. So very quality, affordable hair. You get what you pay for. Keep that in mind when you're buying these braided units. I would absolutely recommend this unit. She's a great unit to go on a cruise with, go on vacation with. Don't go swimming with her. But yeah, I mean, we don't really go swimming like that on our vacations anyway. So you know, she is beautiful, y'all. Tell me how y'all feel, and until next time, beauties, I will talk to you later. Bye.